Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Duolingo Math on Android. So, it's Duolingo's new feature that they have included math tutorial in their application. So, let's get right into it. Head over to your Duolingo application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your right account. Then head over to the upper left corners icon, and there you will find new courses like music, math, and then click on the math. And here Duo will ask you some questions. So here are they, where are you in your math studies? So I'm clicking on I'm an adult learner. Then click on continue. Then let's pick a starting point. You can change this later. Click on intermediate and click on continue. And here goes Duo giving you some lessons. So okay, let's get ready for unit 1, lesson 1. Click on continue. And here goes your math lesson. So that's it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.